Thank you for visiting the Coin Lady channel again. Was it so simple? All it needs is for XRP to rise by 7 or 8% the day after Bitcoin reaches its $6,000 candle to restore everyone's optimism. Neither today nor yesterday did I notice many depressed individuals in the XRP community. I mean, sure, there are X platform users that are critical of XRP, pointing out that XRP isn't holding its own against Bitcoin. But as I've said before, whenever it happens historically, it's before a big move, and I'm seeing the exact same thing. The XRP/BTC combination appeared terrible in 2020. On top of that, I was repeating myself every time anything seems so bad. I tell you what, it's generally because there's going to be a huge improvement soon. That is also what transpired at that time. So far, XRP hasn't shown us the face-melting part of that, but unless you're expecting the market to crash at any second, it's probably not going to happen. It will happen, but his stance against Bitcoin will not remain this low indefinitely. Yeah, I've noticed that some individuals in our group aren't moaning as much today. Nevertheless, it's largely Bitcoin maxi types who are trashing on XRP. I mean, come on. Accordingly, I will impart to you the wisdom of these chart experts. I thought it fascinating that one individual claimed to have an official XRP bull run announcement. Just so we're clear, I don't come from a financial family or anything. Do not take my financial advice as gospel. Additionally, you must not to make any financial transactions based on my recommendations. Okay, I'll admit it, I'm only an enthusiast who, for fun and as a pastime, enjoys making movies on YouTube about crypto. Greg Crypto, a chart analyst, has penned the following post. The following is the official bull run announcement for XRP/BTC that he penned, as expected. The $6,000 increase in Bitcoin has consumed most of the liquidity potential target of 0.0000793, and XRP continues to fall against Bitcoin. A very low level, indeed. Wow, what a huge difference. XRP was a major competitor to Bitcoin in the past, especially when XRP held a 30% market share. Naturally, when you observe it from Bitcoin coins, it's usually just for a moment. Okay with me. I get it, when Bitcoin or XRP reaches a new all-time high, it usually only stays there for a couple of weeks at most. However, he persists anyhow. Although this may annoy some, it really works out well for XRP. From a structural standpoint, the official commencement of an XRP/BTC bull run has typically been signaled by touching the baseline. Feel free to take a break at this point, but I'm going to continue chugging along, and he also shared this chart. As far as I can tell, all he's doing is demonstrating how this has played out in the past. For example, if you look at this, the thing I was referring to in 2020 is XRP, and it's where I'm currently orbiting. Bitcoin seems like total crap. I was like, hey, look at what happened at those other times in the past. It has risen, and it is the very reason why. Compared to before, will this one be different? Oh no, it's not going to be any different this time. I'll take a chance on that forecast. Okay, I agree with you, that is my opinion. Alright, no one can say with absolute certainty what will happen. Unless the markets really do crash, I have strong feelings about this. So, a black swan event occurs, or something like that, alright. Not including that. In any case, he sticks to the tried and true methods of predicting future prices in US dollars. For the sake of argument, let's say Bitcoin is worth between $70,000 and $100,000. The desired price point for cycle 1 is 000115. This means that XRP will be worth $8.05. With $100,000 in Bitcoin, XRP is worth $11.50. As far as I'm concerned, very conservative targets are entirely possible. If you believe Bitcoin won't hit a new all-time high, then XRP wouldn't hit that, but under this scenario, Bitcoin has, so even if XRP lags behind, which it has historically, okay, whatever. On my way out, I will also sell a plethora of additional alts. Since those will likely run first in sufficient history, I'll sell them first. His next instruction is to cycle to price target 0.0003. Cryptocurrency $70,000 XRP $100,000 in XRP, $21 per Bitcoin $30 for 3 cycles of Bitcoin £70,000 worth of XRP $3.50 for 100,000 XRP, $2.45 for a Bitcoin. After that, he announces the formal bull run announcement for XRP BTC. The expected drop in XRP versus Bitcoin, following the $6,000 rise, has persisted. Was it enlightening to read? Holy cow! In fact, it seems to be there twice. While reading that earlier, I failed to see that. I suppose all I did was think I had scrolled down a bit further. It makes no difference either way. That concludes the analysis. Once again, I am not one to speculate on future prices, but I can tell you roughly which way this is likely to go. Yeah. If it doesn't, I'll be surprised. Then there was this morning's post from our analysts, who are huge XRP crypto fans. Enticing the 200 SMHs that show up every week and every day. Tossing both of them would be a good indicator. Also, libcrypto has been an XRP for a long time. Bull. A post from January 16th is actually this one. What he wrote led many to believe he was bearish on XRP. The long-term chart has never interested me. Anyone thinks he's bearish? I was just wondering. The reason behind this is because there have been situations where he was worried it could fall lower on shorter time periods. No, he hasn't changed his mind on it in the long run. Next, he presents a macro chart spanning over a year, indicating that the outcome is contingent upon Bitcoin's performance. Prospective buyers of XRP in 2024 should seriously consider this alternative. What on earth was that? Did you see that post? The event occurred on November 29, 2022. So, this occurred after the FTX crash that occurred shortly thereafter. Plus, he penned the subsequent: for the past 5 years, the price of XRP has remained within a narrow band of 15 cents to $1.97. My primary target is $25, and the price activity indicates that it will probably take another 1.25 to 1.5 years for the macro range to be broken. Just so you know, that's roughly how much time has gone by since he stated that we're almost there, folks. When we examine the XRP BTC chart, what do you anticipate will happen next? We can see that Bitcoin is gaining ground rapidly. So until that ends, it will continue to say what it wants to say, man. This was followed by this from Greetings, Crypto XRP price chart from 2017 and possible fireworks revealed by previous patterns: 700% increase, a temporary dip, and a subsequent 60,000% increase, with a further 40% increase in 2028 dip followed by a staggering 1,000% increase. Much like XRP's 60,000% 12-month surge from 0.006 cents to $3.84 in 2017. Bitcoin surpassed its previous all-time high prior to the XRP bull run. As a breakout appears on the charts, the XRP community's sentiment is low. How much do you think it will cost in 2024? Okay, I'm not going to guess the price. Nonetheless, I think you've made some excellent points. It's true, and it relates to what I was trying to explain before. You know, every time Bitcoin or XRP goes through a meltdown, the critics who were there before look like complete idiots, and it keeps happening. In the same way that each cycle, it doesn't matter what you put XRP for, it will go up in value. What a useless coin. So XRP, despite the scrutiny surrounding the SEC complaint, XRP continued to beat expectations over the last market cycle, reaching $2 and maintaining its position among the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. Even if the critics couldn't believe it, XRP has consistently outperformed the claims made by the poisonous Bitcoin maxi trolls, especially in light of the SEC case. In their minds, it is inevitable. Additionally, the following was written by Altcoin Sherpa, a well-known chart analyst. Digital currency approximately $60,000 is the next tier above. What a relief it is that I simply stayed long all along. I still can't believe we're trading like this without any pullbacks. Seeing this has been mind-blowing, but there ought to be a pullback near all-time highs. While many were claiming that Bitcoin will never stop, I must admit that yesterday was very remarkable. I made $6,000 in a single day. There you have it, $6,000. Just yesterday. Matthew Hyland, a chart analyst, is here. Bitcoin is still going strong. We have not seen either peak yet, but eventually, they will draw back our consolidation. Therefore, it appears that it desires shorter timeframes, suggesting that anything can happen. Expect more, and if it's incorrect, then it's wrong. From what I can tell, it seems like everyone is expecting this to keep happening, but we'll have to wait and see. For example, if it surges to $65,000 without a discernible decline, I will be in a state of shocked astonishment. Party time is all I'm going to say. No problemo, dude. The video ends there. I would greatly appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel and give it a like. Muchas gracias, depart.